In this lesson, we will understand what are filter measures in Tableau and how we can implement it. We will understand how filters can be applied on measures with an example that will be implemented on Tableau itself. Let's start. So filter measures, as the name suggests, is used to filter measures in Tableau. So whenever you load your data on the left, you can see the bifurcations of dimensions and measures we already saw in the previous lectures. Okay, so such kind of filters can only be applied on measure fields, like we have sum of sales and sum of profits in our sample store data. So now let us implement it on Tableau and filter measures. We will create a new sheet and name it filter measures within the same Tableau workbook, that is the same project, Amit _ Tableau _ filters.twb. So let us see. So this is our Tableau. Let us create a new worksheet. Click and I'll name it filter measures. Okay, now we will see the example, and this sheet is also in our Amit _ Tableau _ filters project, that is Tableau workbook. Now let us filter measures. First I'll drag the subcategory dimension. So if you want to again check which are the dimensions and measures, just try to drag it and you can see the bifurcations on the left. The above one are dimensions and the below one are measures. Okay. Now I'll just drag subcategory to rows and sum of profit to columns. Okay, now we have our bar chart. First I'll change sum of profit to average. For that, click here. Okay, under measure sum, change it to average. Okay, now we have the average profit. And also under columns, it's visible average profit instead of sum profit. So we have successfully changed it, aggregated it. Now we will drag the measure profit to the filter like we previously did in dimensions. For the dimension you want to filter, you just need to drag it here. Similarly, we are implementing a filter on a measure profit. So I'll drag and take it to the filters shelf. Now the dialog box is visible. Select average within this. Okay, how do you want to filter on profit? By average. Then click next. Here choose at least and give a value to filter the rows. Now I'll give it let's say 15. Okay, at least 15 now. And I'll click OK. Now guys, what is visible? Only the subcategories with average profit above 15 are visible. Okay, because we have applied the 15 filter before, at least 15. You can also check it. It's 54.1 in accessories. I think this is very less. Still it's above 15 because we applied a filter 15.1. Rest 24.9, 801.3. So through this we can easily filter measures. And keep the mouse cursor to get all the details. All these subcategories are having average profit above 15. I'll save it. So guys, we saw how we can implement filters on measures. Thank you for watching the video.